more bluebird weather on the way. Here's an update on the snow conditions at Revelstoke on Boxing Day. How's it going, everybody, and Merry Christmas. Let's jump straight into it. In the run-up to Christmas, we had a really turbulent week of weather, which saw the freezing level go very, very high and a lot of precipitation in the form of rain at lower elevations. It remains impossible right now to ski down past the mid-station, and a lot of the runs even above the mid-station are not recommended. In terms of the base, the depth of snow that we have right now, we're sitting at 88 centimeters. I believe there'd been a bit of an issue online with calculating the accumulations because in the run-up we were thinking we're on about a meter, but I've double checked around and the current base is an 88 centimeters in the Alpine right now. So still very, very good. Since that turbulent weather, the temps dropped significantly all the way down to the valley. We've had sharp cold temperatures for the past 4 or 5 days with a little bit of fresh snow as well. We woke up this morning with 4 centimeters at the top here, which has been a nice top up to the soft conditions that have been helped by that colder temperatures. Some of the best skiing to be found right now is in North Bowl and in South Bowl. As you've seen probably from the recent vlog, I was still getting into some untouched powder and yeah, had a bit of an adrenaline rush from that. Greeley Bowl is somewhere which I wouldn't recommend right now. There still needs to be a lot more snow in there, and I guess that applies for the rest of the mountain too, which leads me on to the forecast. The outlook for the next week is very much the same. Cold, cloudy and sunny. The good news about that is that it's going to keep those higher elevation runs in tip-top conditions with the soft snow and firm groomers that have been really good to carve up right now. On the downside, still no major improvement to the other parts of the mountain. We do need some significant snow, some big snowfalls. Unfortunately, nothing seems to be in the pipeline right now. Potentially over the weekend, there could be another 4 to 5 centimeters top up. But as I've said previously, predicting that snowfall can be really hard to predict. I thought we were going to get 10 or 15 last night, and it just turned out to be 4. So you never really know, but don't give up hope, guys. We need everybody to keep doing their snow dances. Questions and comments in the section below. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all future snow reports this winter. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.